welcome back to another video on the channel. And this video that I'm about to show you guys was not actually planned, so this is why I'm making a voiceover just to introduce the video, and let us just get straight into it. Right guys, so I am literally on the highway right now, and I was going to pick up my brother from school, and one of the joints in the front wheels, I'm not sure if it's the CV joint or ball joint, but one of the joints, it looked like something unscrewed, and now I'm at the side of the road waiting for assistance, so I can't move anywhere. Yes, it's a big predicament right now. So I just put on my hazard lights right now. I'm literally at the side of the road just waiting. You can hear all the cars and trucks passing me right now, and I will show you clips of what happened to the wheel. This is the struggles of having an old car, but it's okay, it's all in good grace. Anyway, let me just show you what actually happened to the car, and we'll also see the process of fixing it, all those wonderful stuff. So I'm not sure if y'all could hear me, but this is basically the car. And if you'll see, that wheel over there is literally at the side, just broken off. So that sucks. Right guys, so I'm actually back in the car. I went and I picked up my brother, Liam. He's in the back there trying to hide from y'all. But I'm in the car, and apparently it wasn't the joints at all. It was actually the ends, like a bolt literally unscrewed itself and fell off, and that's why. So it's a very simple problem, but yet so big. So we're just in the car waiting for assistance while all the cars just pass us by. So I'm going to actually experiment and do some slow motion shots of cars and stuff while he's just there, has nothing to do. Anyway, so watch some slow motion shots of cars and other stuff that I just want to experiment with, so enjoy.
Trying